Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Monday, the 12th of January. Here we are into the second week of the new year already. We had a cold front go by the area last night, and that's ushered in colder air. A couple of flurries, but other than that, nothing overnight. Temperatures today in the 20s this morning, rising to the 30s this afternoon. As we head for the overnight hours tonight, we're back down to the 20s, partly cloudy. There'll be some cloudiness showing up this afternoon, but still a dry day. Tomorrow's my pick of the week, 40 to 45, plenty of sunshine, a real nice one. If you want to do a little bit of gardening, you could prune some of the paniculata hydrangeas, some of those hydrangeas that bloom on new growth, not on old growth, but on new growth, could be pruned. That does not include the mop heads, the macrophyllias, leave those alone. Now, as we head for Wednesday, mostly cloudy, a little spot shower here, temperature 45 to 50. Same thing Wednesday night, temperatures down to the 30s. Thursday, we're in the 30s in the morning, but 40s in the afternoon. And then things get colder and a little more interesting. Now, some of you were asking me, what about the nor'easter at the end of the week? Well, first of all, there is not going to be, for sure, a nor'easter at the end of the week. There may be. Sure, there might be Friday or Saturday. There could be a storm. But there could also be absolutely nothing. And a lot of folks like to kind of put out, these worst case scenarios for what we may or may not see later in the week. It's just way too early. It's just the bottom line. Nobody knows what's going to happen at the end of the week. It is going to get colder, I will say that. We are definitely going to see some colder trending weather here later this week and into the weekend. But do we see just a little bit of light snow heading into that, or a snowstorm? Sure. Or nothing. Yep. So let's wait until tomorrow, the next day, and then we'll have a better idea of what's going to happen. Have a great morning, everybody.